Good evening, grade 4s. We are starting our new unit on multiplication, and I know you're getting pretty familiar with multiplying bigger numbers and you're memorizing your times tables. What we have on the table here is a couple rows of pennies, and they represent a single array with two multiplication facts. So the multiplication fact you see on the table is 2 multiplied by 6. Two groups of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each array is part of a fact family. So we can say 2 multiplied by 6, what you see here. We can also say 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. We can say 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And 12 divided by 6 equals 2. One thing that's a good idea to remember is that if I know that a product or the answer to multiplication is 12, I know other things about that number as well. I can rearrange this array to show a different fact family. I can make 3 multiplied by 4, which equals 12, so I can have 3 groups of 4. So there's 1, 2, 3 groups of 4. And you can think about what other fact family I can make from this single array. I'm going to shift over here a little bit to another array that I made to move out a little bit. It's considerably bigger, and we are going to be working on bigger numbers for this unit. This is a different fact family. This is 3 multiplied by 9. And when I get into the 9s, sometimes I have a little bit of difficulty really knowing my 9s times table really well. And if I don't know that really well, I can break up this array to help me. So maybe I want to think about, well, I know 3 times 3 is 9. So I could make one group of, this is 3 groups, 3 times 3. I can make another group of 3 multiplied by 3, and another group of 3 multiplied by 3. And then it's almost like saying, if I want to then add 9 plus 9 plus 9. And that would give me 27. So I can break up arrays to help me with larger numbers. What I'd like you to do at home is do something similar, and I've written it out on the whiteboard here. Give me a second, grade 4s, to get organized. Thank you. All right. So I would like you to make the array 6 multiplied by 8. That's the first thing to do. Number 2, list the fact family. Number 3, rearrange to show a different fact family. Number 4, how can you break up 6 multiplied by 8 into smaller chunks or arrays? That's your homework for tonight after your flipped math. Remember, you can always pause this video and go back and forth as many times as you need to help you. Be prepared to work with your partner on a similar problem tomorrow. Have a nice evening. Good night.